Hey, thanks for joining me in the shop. Today I'm just attempting to do some learning on the Tormach 770. I've never done any type of CNC machining before, and I haven't learned how to model anything yet. So today I'm going to take this aluminum block and attempt to face it using the conversational interface on the Path Pilot program on the Tormach 770. Before I get started, I want to take the rotational base off of this vise. I'm taking the rotational base off because it should help increase rigidity of the setup. This was a comment somebody left on my first chips video, which I'll put a link to up in the corner. The first thing I'm doing is throwing an indicator on the machine, and I'm going to indicate the vise as it is before I do anything. And this is because I've never indicated anything before. So I just want to get an idea of what it looks like now so that when I put it back on the table, I know at least a target I can get close to. It looks like we're coming in here at about 3/10, which I really have no idea how good or bad that is. Leave me a comment. Speaking of comments, one of the main reasons I'm making these videos is to get your feedback and to get your help. So tell me something I can improve on, or tell me somewhere else I can go to watch something that'll help me get better. One thing I've been especially curious about is how clean do you like to keep your CNC machine? Do you clean it up after every day of work? Do you clean it up once a week as far as getting all the chips and everything out from the enclosure and the table slots? Let me know. Now let's get this vise back in and re-indicated so we can actually get into our project. Since I've never indicated before, I made sure to do some reading and watch some videos, and it looks important to keep the indicator in line with what you're trying to measure. So I kept an eye on that, and it looks like we were able to get it better than the original setup. I'm switching to the edge finder to zero in the machine. Everything I'm doing today is an exercise in learning and not necessarily producing anything useful. I just want to get the machine to do what I want it to do. So when we actually start making chips, you'll see I'm not being too aggressive. That's okay with me for now. We're gonna get better. Thanks for hanging out in the shop with me. Don't forget to comment, hit subscribe, come back and we'll keep learning together.